Once again, welcome to another video of Paper 1 Free Basic Course. In the last episode, we were discussing some important questions from people, development and environment. So, in this video also, I will be continuing our discussion of previous questions from environment topic. So friends, let's look some more questions from our topic. So in the last video, we have discussed 5 questions from people, development and environment previous questions. In this video, we'll be continuing our discussion of those questions. So let's move to discuss questions from question number 6. So this is a question number 6. Identify the sustainable development goals from the list given below. The question is identify the sustainable development goals from the list given below. And they have given different sustainable development goals as zero hunger, quality education, universal primary education, clean water and sanitation, green agriculture, climate action. These are the different options they have given under sustainable development goals. So you want to select which among them are actually sustainable development goals. So I will give you a few seconds. Try to give the answer. If you need more time, you can pause the video. In previous episodes, we have discussed about Millennium Development Goals and Sustainable Development Goals. While discussing about Millennium Development Goals, we have told that there is around 8 Millennium Development Goals and there is almost 17 Sustainable Development Goals. In that episode, I have told you that it's very important to by heart the list of Millennium Development Goals as well as to be familiar with different sustainable development goals. So when we analyze the list of 6 sustainable development goals, we can say zero hunger is a sustainable development goals, quality education is a sustainable development goal, universal primary education comes under millennium development goals, it's not a sustainable development goals, clean water and sanitation is a sustainable development goal. Climate action also comes under sustainable development goals. There is no specific green agriculture as a sustainable development goals. So we have option D as a correct answer for question number 6. That is a list of sustainable development goals. If you are yet to watch our video explaining or talking about all the millennium development and sustainable development goals, make sure you watch it immediately. Moving to question number 7. The Montreal Protocol refers to. The question is regarding what is the significance of Montreal Protocol. So we have different options as option A, cooperation among UN member countries to combat climate change. Option B, phasing out the consumption and production of ozone depleting substances. Option C, ensuring environmental sustainability. Option D, safeguarding societal quality of life worldwide. So these 4 are the options given for you in this particular question, and you want to choose which among them is Montreal Protocol refers to. So I will give you a few seconds. The question is regarding for what purpose we have the Montreal Protocol. So I hope you will be knowing that it's all about ozone depletion. We have Vienna Convention talking about ozone depletion, and as a child of Vienna Convention, you have the Montreal Protocol, which discusses about phasing out the consumption and production of ozone depleting substances. So option B is the correct answer regarding Montreal Protocol. Make sure you know everything regarding the ozone hole, the Dobson unit concept, and also you are clear with Vienna Convention, Montreal Protocol, the difference between convention, protocol, and similarly there are many other conventions also you have to study, like Geneva Convention, Vienna Convention, we have the Bonn Convention, Washington Convention, etc. We have discussed about those important conventions in the previous episodes. So moving to question number 8. Average noise levels in heavy traffic zones in major cities in India are generally in which of the following ranges of noise levels? So this is a question that comes under noise pollution, which comes under pollution. So the question is regarding what should be the average noise level, or what is the average noise level in heavy traffic zones in India, especially in the major cities. And we have 4 options. Option A is 31 to 40 decibel ampere. Then option B 41 to 50 decibel. Option C 70 to 95 decibel. And option D we have 110 to 120 decibel. So try to read the question and give me the answer. It's question number 8. Okay, so we have the answer as option C, 70 to 95 decibel is the normal range of or average range of noise level in major cities of India. Moving to question number 9. In which category Cochin International Airport has been conferred the UN Champions of Earth Award? So this is a question from current affairs. Normally UGC, NT and NET don't ask question regarding current affairs, but this is a current affairs based question. In which category Cochin International Airport has been conferred the UN Champion of Earth Award? Options are policy leadership, entrepreneurial vision, science and innovation, inspiration and action. So these are the four options. So I will give you a few more seconds. Try to give the answer. So now we'll try to discuss the question. We have the answer as entrepreneurial vision. So it mainly happens due to the Cochin airport. It's a complete solar powered airport. Almost all the power requirements of Cochin airport is met through solar ways. If you go to Cochin airport, nearby fields, you can see thousands of solar cells being established. So Cochin airport received the International UN Champions of the Earth Award on the basis of entrepreneurial vision. Moving to question number 10, the last question of this particular episode. The share of which of the following sources of energy in electricity generation in India at present is the least? Remember, the question is regarding which is the least. It's not about which is the highest share, it's about which is the least share. You have option A as thermal, option B as solar and wind, option C as hydro, option D as nuclear. Okay, so we have the answer as nuclear. As of now, nuclear is the least source of energy among the given options. I hope you will be knowing the highest share of energy comes from thermal. The highest share of energy comes from thermal. Then we have hydro. Then we have solar and wind. After that, we have the nuclear one. So that's all about this video discussing previous questions from people, development and environment. Remember, it's a very important topic. You have 5 questions from environment topic. It's one among the 10 major topics. I hope you are clear with all the questions we have discussed so far. If you have any doubts regarding any question, you can post it in the comment section. Definitely, we'll be answering it as soon as possible. Thank you.